This is a step-by-step guide for completing the Accelerated Instruction Plan for multiple AIP entries or mass entries. Refer to the Single AIP Entries Guide if you need to enter information on only one student at a time. Keep in mind that you will need to complete a new AIP review each month so that the minutes are accurately updated. Log into Edugents and click on the Analytics dashboard on the left-hand menu. At the top of the page, choose your campus. Keep the year at 2021, and then choose your test. Note that there are English and Spanish versions of some tests, so be careful to choose the correct one. I am going to choose Reading Grade 7 in English. Then click Search. Select all of the students you will be updating by clicking on the boxes to the left of the student's name. Then click on the orange paper icon on the top row. English Language Arts, Math, Science, or Social Studies. And then click on Add Review. Fill in the options at the top of the page. Use the Calendar drop-down to select your dates. For type of review, you will choose AIP. From group size, you will select the group size for the student's accelerated learning. Keep in mind that online adaptive platforms are considered a small group as the students are working independently. Ensure that the content area is correct. Identify and enter the student's targeted skills. These are the skills that are needed for a student to achieve mastery of the grade level TEKS. Determine the strategy or strategies to be used during accelerated instruction. Enter the appropriate accelerated instruction tools based on the needs of the student. The Accelerated Learning Committee or campus leadership team will review the data to determine which accelerated instruction strategies will be used based on the history of success or concern that the student is associated with. You can enter any additional information that directly relates to or impacts the student and/or the fidelity of implementation here in the comments. At the bottom of the page, fill in the time of day or class period the student is working towards their accelerated learning plan requirements. Click the arrow to document the number of minutes that the student participated in accelerated instruction. Under Progress Monitoring Tools, click to enter the tools that you will use to monitor the progress of the student. Document the score that the student received for that progress monitoring tool. Then select the correct outcome of the student's accelerated learning at the time of this review meeting. Click Save This will save this AIP for all of the students that have been selected. After saving the AIP, during the Mass Update, you may individualize an AIP for a student. This is the same process for updating the AIP one student at a time. To select the focus student, click on the big red E in the top corner. That will take you back to the main EduGence page. From here, we're going to select Analytics again, and we're going to go back to the Accelerated Instruction dashboard. We will select our campus. We'll select 2021 for the year, and then select our test. You will select the one student that you need to adapt their AIP by clicking on the checkbox to the left of their name. Then click on the green student profile icon. This is the student's profile. Click on the double arrow on the student dashboard to move to the Accelerated Learning screen. Your screen will default to the Committee Note section. You will choose what subject you would like to edit, and down below you will see your review. On the far right, you will click on the orange pencil to edit your AIP. Then the review template will populate and you can make whatever changes or edits you need to. Make your necessary edits and click Save at the bottom of the page before exiting the AIP review template. This will save your work.